Good evening. Here's my little setup again. This is my demo board that I used in my car. Ran my car with this setup. This one when I had my cost-off motor. So right now, this is my key on-off switch for the test. This is a main circuit breaker. This has nothing to do with anything at the moment. This was used for charging purposes. I've got my TPS throttle here. These two cables down here are for charging. And this setup right here is for the throttle. And that down here got a fuse. It's a small fuse. This is going to be pack voltage coming through here. And this is just like a 1 amp fuse. So it's low power, low current is allowed, and that's it. Got my main contactor set up. So the contactor wires are right here. So basically just a couple more wires to set up, and then I'll go ahead and plug in. So I haven't plugged in yet, so that'll just kind of plug right in there. It's been a while since this thing's been running, but I'll have to get my little dongle here and get her plugged into the computer. So that's what I'm getting ready to work on right now. Some of the wires I have, they're just kind of hanging because I don't need them. I have a 12 volt 200 amp hour battery pack that's charged. This is a little DC motor here, actually a pretty nice little DC motor. And then my Nissan Leaf battery pack, which is a 96 volt nominal. And my DC crapped out on me, so have to use the batteries. But this will just be a real basic setup, and it should work. So the controller has a pre-charge built into it, so we don't have to worry about pre-charge, which is really nice. And a lot of these wires here I don't need at the moment. So real close to getting this set up, but I want to get everything, my software, onto my Windows 10. And then I'm going to hook up the 12 volt and see if I can and pack voltage here, but not to the controller here or any of that stuff, because I just want to talk to the controller first. And that should be it. So I'm using the basic wiring schematic from the PDF manual, and my wiring, so I know what wires are what. And here, this is a 2011 manual, so should be good to go. Even for the newer one of these that has the fan stuck on the outside, mine has the fan still on the inside. So there you have it. Quick little video for you, and I will get back with you.